going on, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. About to do one more unboxing for y'all today. You know what I mean? Had one earlier. Check that one out. This one's gonna be real quick. I always say that, but it's gonna be real quick. So we got some shoes that might be some classics to y'all. Might be y'all might have had up here before. May not, but let's check them out. I seen them, I was like, ah man, let me pull the trigger on them. Had a good price on them. But might not be everybody's speed though. We talking about the Cortez Basic leather here. So y'all remember these, right? Yeah. Y'all remember these. So I didn't know that they're all leather, but that shoe does say basic leather. But that's all good, man. You know, I thought it was gonna have a little suede and nylon to it, but all good. Some people, where y'all at? You call them dope mans, or where I'm at, where I'm from, you just call them Nike Cortezes. You know what I'm saying? So the Cortezes, that's it. But yeah, let me know if y'all of my shoes, we all have pulled the trigger on these. You know what I mean? These are just, you know, some classic. Throw some joints. I'll get that little older vibe on real quick, man. You know, plain and simple, black and white. You know, throw them on with something, you're good to go. Especially these hot summer days. So let me know what y'all used to call them where y'all's at, and then if you would pull the trigger on them or not. You know what I mean? Let me know. But till next time, man, y'all take care of each other, man. Hopefully y'all been good. Y'all be safe. Long live D-Mac.